this video, we're going to look for positive. We know that we have positive acute angles A and B, and it is known that cosine of A is 40 over 41 and sine of B is 35 over 37. We are supposed to find the values for cosine of A minus B in simplest form. So first of all, I have to figure out which formulas I need. So I know I have cosine A minus B, so I'm going to match that up with this one right here. So that means I need cosine, cosine, sine, sine. And then I know on the cosine, if I start with a minus, I have to change it to a plus. So I know there's a plus in there. And then it's going to be AB, AB. I know that I have the cosine of A is 40 over 41. And I have the sine of B is 35 over 37. Unfortunately, I need to find these other values. So to do that, I'm going to use my Pythagorean theorem. So I know that cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So my adjacent is 40, my hypotenuse is 41, which means I'm going to use x squared plus 40 squared equals 41 squared, which means I'm just going to put this, I'm going to subtract that 40 squared to the other side. I'm going to put that into Desmos or my calculator. So I'm going to go 41 squared minus 40 squared. And then I'm going to take the square root of that, which I know the square root of 81 is 9. So I know my other side is 9. So that would mean the sine of A for right here would be the opposite 9 over the hypotenuse 41. And now I'm going to do this other triangle. So my other triangle is B. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So my opposite's 35. My hypotenuse is 37. Again, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So y squared plus 35 squared equals 37 squared. Again, I'm going to subtract that 35 squared to the other side. So I would have 37 squared minus 35 squared, squared, not cubed, is 144. Square root of 144 is 12. So y equals 12. So that's that side. So my cosine would be 12 over 37. And then I'm simply going to just take this and put it into Desmos the way it looks. So 40 divided by 41 times 12 divided by 37. 12 divided by 37. And then it was plus. And then I'm going to do 9 divided by 41 times 35 divided by 37. And again, I want my answer to be in fractions, so I'm going to toggle the fraction button. So it's 795 over 1,517. So 795 over 1,517.